Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect with Credit Karma for monitoring credit score changes. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Credit Karma and press enter. Once the Credit Karma homepage loads, locate the sign up or log in button. If you already have an account, click log in and enter your credentials. For new users, select sign up and fill in the required information. This will include your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your details, click the Create Account button. You may need to verify your email address through a confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once your account is created and verified, log in again. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard to view your credit score. Look for the section labeled Credit Score or Credit Monitoring. Here, you will find options for monitoring your credit score changes. Enable notifications to receive alerts about any changes to your score. Check the settings to customize how you want to receive updates. You can choose to receive notifications via email or through the app. Download the Credit Karma mobile app for easier access on the go. Sign in to your account on the app using the same credentials. Once logged in, you will have the same monitoring capabilities as the website. Periodically check your dashboard for updates on your credit score. Review any recommendations provided to improve your credit health. By following these steps, you will stay informed about your credit score changes effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.